It's kind of beautiful nature. Of course, it's Georgia. Georgia has beautiful nature. What in the name of butterflies is that? Well, I don't know. It looks like a butterfly. Why is it heading towards this person? Is that his owner? Okay, what the heck is going on? Am I dreaming? Yes, Monarch. What is he talking about? What the heck is happening to him? Run.
The following is a message being transmitted at the request of the Savannah Police Department and the emergency management agencies of Chatham and Jasper counties. At 7:04 a.m., authorities believe that a 911 call was dispatched because a mysterious species of butterflies has approached a person and started to go crazy. The caller said this was because of a negative emotion. It is unknown where this butterfly came from at this time. However, the United States Department of Agriculture and the United States Department of Forestry is currently researching these butterflies, if they are hostile towards humans. Stay tuned to this station for information.
Hello, welcome to WSAV3. Breaking news coming from Savannah. There have been reports of butterfly-like creatures all over Savannah, including bordering counties. These butterflies have already taken down 35 people all throughout Savannah and 15 in Jasper County, South Carolina, which is a total of 50 people. If you see these butterflies, run away immediately. For other news, I'm Eric Yvda.
Guys? What? I had just figured out of these butterflies. So they're called akumas, or devil's butterflies, to be exact. They only turn people crazy when they have negative emotions. And we had figured out who's causing this. Apparently, the one who's causing all this is a guy named Monarch. The Monarch butterfly? No, not that. There is a person named Monarch. It's based on a person from a series called Miraculous Ladybug Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir. These akumas are dangerous. If there's any negative emotions here, we are done for. Holy sh**. We need to send this now.
An immediate evacuation has been issued. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Agriculture and the Savannah Police Department. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for Savannah and bordering counties. At 9:52 a.m., the United States Department of Agriculture has confirmed these butterfly species are now called akumas, or devil butterflies. These akumas have confirmed to turn people what are called supervillains. Now, all residents in the warned area are advised to evacuate immediately. If you fail to do so, this will result in serious consequences. Stay tuned to WSAV3 for additional information. This is an emergency alert system message from the Young Bombers. Please stand by for this message, as this is very important information. This is an emergency alert system message from the young bombers. Please stand by. A 911 telephone outage is being declared for the entire state of Georgia effective until further notice. Due to the situation in Savannah, the 911 hotline is now unavailable effective until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Bureau of Land Management in conjunction with the United States Department of Homeland Security. The increasing amount of these ecumas are becoming more dangerous. The ecumas now have the ability of going through gaps of doors, windows, and any other stuff, even when it's already locked. The ecuma infestation has now infected almost 400 people all across 124 counties all across Georgia, and 20 in some counties in South Carolina. Residents are advised to evacuate out of the states of Georgia and South Carolina now. Failure to do so will put your life at risk. Stay tuned for more information.